Farmhouse has been really popular in the last several years. I think Chip and Joanna Gaines played a pretty big role in that. And so we've done more homes than I can count that are white board and batten homes with black windows, black gutters, even metal roofing. You know, they bring in a roofing contractor to do the standing seam metal roof after we do the siding. And I think it looks fantastic. One of the things about Farmhouse that I think is going to hold is actually it's a fairly timeless look. I don't think it's overly trendy. I know I've had a few clients ask about that, and their concern is like, is this going to be out of style in the next few years? One, I think white never goes out of style, but I don't think it has to be all board and batten either. You know, I think we can do a combination of white plank siding with white trim, white board and batten. If we do some board and batten in the gables, maybe do black gutters for a pop of color. Don't necessarily have to do black windows, but I think there's varying degrees of kind of giving that farmhouse look to a lot of different architecturally designed homes that still give a really classic kind of timeless look. And so I think that's a lot of fun to explore that option. So one of the things we look at when we're doing a farmhouse look is definitely trimming around the windows and doors. And in some cases, it's doing an even wider trim. So if we're doing a board and batten design or a horizontal plank siding, we look to do either a 4-inch or a 6-inch trim, essentially like a picture frame trim around the windows and doors, just to give it a little bit of a pop so it stands out a bit, even though it's all the same color. Those little design pieces that are subtle but elegant can really make the house stand out versus just a production-built tract home. That's certainly something we keep in mind when we're looking to design that home.